What does it mean to reboot to the bootloader?
Hello everyone, and welcome to our latest tutorial. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting topic. What does it mean to reboot to the bootloader? Understanding this concept is crucial for anyone interested in Android device customization, system software updates, or basic troubleshooting.
What is a bootloader?
Firstly, let's define what a bootloader is. A bootloader is a piece of software that runs every time your device starts up. It tells your device's hardware to boot up the operating system. It acts like a gatekeeper, controlling which applications get loaded during the boot-up process. Its primary job is to load the operating system into memory and then execute it.
Why would we reboot to the bootloader?
So, why would we ever need to reboot to the bootloader? In a normal day-to-day operation, you likely wouldn't. However, in specific scenarios like troubleshooting, software development, or device customization, rebooting to the bootloader can prove to be extremely useful. Rebooting to the bootloader allows you to enter what's known as fast boot mode. In this mode, you can communicate directly with your device's bootloader using a command line interface on your computer. This mode can be used to unlock the bootloader, flash or update system images, and perform other system-level tasks that are impossible during normal operation.
How to reboot to the bootloader?
Now that we understand the concept, let's look at how to reboot to the bootloader. The exact process varies depending on the device model, but generally, it involves the following steps. 1. Switch off your device. Start by turning off your device completely. 2. Enter the bootloader mode. This typically involves holding a combination of physical buttons on your device as it powers up. On many Android devices, this is often the volume down and power buttons simultaneously. 3. Connect to a computer. Once in the bootloader mode, you can connect your device to a computer via USB cable to send commands to the bootloader. Remember, always handle these operations with care as they can potentially harm your device if not done correctly. And that's a wrap. We've explored what it means to reboot to the bootloader, why it might be necessary, and a general process on how to do it. As always, exercise caution when dealing with the lower levels of your device's software, and ensure you understand the risks involved. If you're unsure, seek help from a professional or a trusted source. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and stay tuned for more enlightening discussions.